guys here back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1968 and 69 Chevelle and El Camino dash pad by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. So when it's time to replace your faded, cracked, or damaged dash pad, Original Parts Group has you covered. All the details are important, and that's why we have the reproduction of these models down to a T. These are proudly made in the USA and feature a steel inner structure for rigidity and a foam molded core to provide all the correct contours. In the final stages of these being manufactured, our dash pads are wrapped with the factory Madrid-style grain ABS vinyl, just like the originals. All the factory options are available and follow the same GM specifications with all the correct colored dyes. The result is the highest quality reproduction dash pad on the market. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.